guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to do something a little different. I am inviting you to our home to discover all the cute little Christmas decorations. Hope you guys enjoy this tour. Okay you guys, here is our living room. Here we got some cute pillowcases from Amazon that I purchased. The red ones are from the holiday collection, but the one in the center that says grateful is actually from the autumn collection. Here's our beautiful Christmas tree, our little fake fireplace, and we have some cute stuff happening on our tree this year. We actually got this when we went to Oregon and renewed our vows. I got these for my birthday. I bought this at Taipan last year, a little doorknob. I think my favorite one right now is the Disney Wonder ship. Here we have our personal stockings. As you can see, it has Mickey, the groom, and it has Minnie, the bride. So this one's mine. I just have Christmas movies because I love all these movies that are in here. Up on the top we have our love sign, and we got this actually at a yard sale for our wedding, and we use it as the centerpiece decoration of our home. Now here is the reason for the season, you guys. I just bought this nativity for my church. It's so beautiful, and it says a Savior is born. Gorgeous. This was given to Vis when he was in the Nutcracker in high school. So we have it up for decoration. We actually bought a garland to go right here. We also have garland on top of our blinds. Alright, here's our kitchen. I have our Merry Christmas towels that I got from Target for $3. This little church that my mother-in-law gave me has a little candle inside. Over here I have advent calendars that I purchased from Trader Joe's. They were like $1 each, and they're pretty good, not too bad. Here I have our diffuser running, and I have thieves right now, and it smells like the holidays. It smells great. From here you can actually see our living room. This is our office, and on our curtains we have more stockings and lights. Over here we have a wreath. I put some lights on it. I'm gonna shut the lights off. You can see it's nice and lit up at nighttime. Super cute. And I actually got this tree in high school from a high school friend, and I never thought that I would be using it till this day. So thanks, Lana. And here's another pillow from the Christmas collection. Okay you guys, so this is our bathroom. Here we have a picture that I got from Taipan about 4 years ago, and it actually lights up and it sings. We do have our potpourri ready. This is actually the holiday smell. It's a winter berry. If you don't have it, get it, because it works, y'all. And up here I did purchase a garland from Michael's, and I just got that today. One of my students bought it for me. Super cute. I got a little carried away with my soap and my toothpaste. I decided to wrap it because I'm definitely in the spirit lately. And I actually got this from a yard sale. If I turn off the lights, it lights up. It's super duper cute. And then my shower curtain is basic shower curtain, but I do have a little springy snowman that I also got from Taipan a few years back. Now to the bedroom. This is our room. Here I have our wedding picture on the top. Down here you can see we also have some Christmas pillowcases. On the top I did put the same garland that I have in the bathroom on my headboard, and those pillowcases are from Amazon. I bought about 4 of them and just put them all around the house. Give you a little closer look. Alright. So there's our curtain. I got these lights from Daiso, $1.50. Same thing with my little stockings. They're so cute. There's our dresser. You can see I just got some cute little garland with some ornaments. I got these cute little ornaments for my sister-in-law. Thanks, Sherry. And I got my little twinkle lights because I'm all about the lights, you guys. It just makes everything so romantic. Okay, so that was our tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and press the little bell button to get notifications when we do post our next video. Enjoy your Christmas and remember that Jesus is the reason for the season. Have a blessed day or night, whatever time you're watching this. Our advent calendar time.
Number 6.
Oh, what is it?
It's Canon.
I got a present.